Dear students, mathematics paper second lesson, application of derivatives. In this lesson you have learned all concept, only remaining is some numericals based on last concept, maxima and minima. If you see the video list of topic application of derivatives, video part 5 and part 6 of application of derivatives consist of some numericals related to maxima and minima. Today we continue with next problems. Problem number 4. A metal wire 36 centimeter long is bent to form a rectangle. 36 centimeter long metal wire. It is bent to form a rectangle. Find out its dimension, that is length and breadth, when its area is maximum. Solution for problem. Initially we mention, that is given part, metal wire whose length is 36 centimeter long and it is bent to form a rectangle. Let us see a wire. See on the screen. Its distance 36 centimeter. So wire of 36 centimeter long. It is bent to form a rectangle. Okay, wire bent to form a rectangle. So its dimensions are be x and y, that is length and breadth. Capital A, area of rectangle. Let us see in figure, length and breadth of rectangle, capital A for area of that rectangle. Provided here length of wire that is bent to form rectangle. So this total length, it becomes perimeter of rectangle. So you are known formula for perimeter of rectangle. That is total distance length, x plus y plus x plus y, that is 2 times of x plus y. So formula for perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times of x plus y, and it is 36 centimeter. So from this relation, multiplicative 2 you can shift to right side, get divided with 36. So x plus y is equal to 18. From this equation, value of one variable expressed in the other variable. So I can write here value for y in terms of x, that is y is equal to 18 minus x as a equation number first. After this I have to write a function. Function is related to the area, and that area to show maximum, to find out its dimensions. So first, all of you are familiar with area of rectangle. Simple formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is x into y. Concept of maximization, maximize area, will be obtained by using derivative test. So first, this function is expressed only in terms of variable x. So value of y can be replaced from equation 1. Therefore, area A is equal to x into 18 minus x. Next simplification, x multiplied inside, we get 18x minus x square, equation for area. Now this is obtain a function in terms of x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative is obtained dA by dx. It is equal to derivative of 18x minus x square. Take Separate derivative of each term. First, derivative of 18x. Answer 18. X square derivative 2 times x. So dA by dx is obtained 18 minus 2x. Since area is maximum, to find out its dimension, so first derivative answer equated to 0. We get dA by dx is 0, first derivative. Value is 18 minus 2x. So 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x shifted right hand side, it will be positive. So 18 is equal to 2x. Divide both side by 2. Value for x is obtained 9. After this, to find out value for y, take equation 1 becomes again. So from this equation 1, value for y is 18 minus x, that is 18 minus 9. Difference 18 minus 9 is 9. Value for y is equal to 9. Check. We calculated value for length and breadth. So dimensions of rectangle are obtained. Length is equal to breadth is equal to 9 both. Area for rectangle is maximum if length and breadth both are equal. That means this rectangle will change to a square because all sides are getting equal, so it become a square. So simple conclusion here, rectangle has maximum area in the case of if it become a square. So here all sides are equal obtained. So first problem related to here, find out dimensions of that rectangle. Let us continue one more problem. Problem here, a rectangular sheet of paper has its area 24 meter square. Area of rectangular sheet paper, it is given as 24 meter square. The margins at the top and bottom are 75 centimeter each. And at the sides, left side, right side, margins are 50 centimeter each. What are the dimensions of the paper if the area of printed space, middle part, printed space is maximum? Let us see. Rectangular sheet of paper. Dimensions are taken as length and breadth. Check. Length and breadth are taken as a x and y. For this paper, printed space is selected with the condition margins at top and bottom and also at the sides. Let us see a paper for printing. Margins at left hand side 50 centimeter, bottom 75 centimeter. That is left hand side 50 centimeter, right hand side also 50 centimeter. Top and bottom both are 75 centimeters. So initially writing sentence as let the length at the bottom and the sides be x and y respectively. Therefore, area of sheet of paper is equal to x into y. This is for rectangular sheet of paper. Now, dimensions for this printed space. Check for this printed space. We have already taken margins at left and right, 50 centimeter from left hand side, 50 centimeter from right hand side. That is total margins for side is 100 centimeter. And margins from top and bottom 75 centimeters, 75 centimeters, that are obtained 150 centimeter. But condition provided, area of that printed space is maximum area is expressed in terms of meter square. Check this. Hence, this length also convert in terms of meter. So 150 centimeter converted to meter, you will get value 1.5 meter, and 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter. So for this printed space, length will be obtained as x minus 1 centimeter, and breadth will be obtained y minus 1.5 meter. So these are the dimensions for printed space, that rectangular sheet. So let us see value for after leaving the margins. The dimension of rectangular space left for printed are x minus 1 meter and y minus 1.5 meter. From first relation, value for area of sheet of paper, that is x into y, given is 24. From this relation, I have expressed value for y as 24 by x. To use this relation for maximization of problem. Problem is maximize for area of printed space, that is middle part. This printed space, its area must be maximum. So writing equation for area of this printed space, it is equal to length into breadth, again formula same, x minus 1 multiplied y minus 1.5. Let us substitute here value for y as 24 by x. So equation is obtained only in terms of one variable, that is x. So area of printed space A is equal to x minus 1 into y value replaced by 24 by x minus 1.5. Let us multiply these two brackets. Simplification answer you will obtain 25.5 minus 24 by x minus 1.5 x after multiplication and addition of terms. You can check. From this function fx, to determine value for derivative, both are required. Calculating first derivative f dash of x, 25.5 derivative 0, no need to write. Minus 24, 1 by x derivative, answer minus 1 by x square. That minus minus become plus is obtained. Answer 24 by x square. And 1.5x derivative is 1.5. Now one more derivative we have to find out. Second order derivative, that is f double dash of x. For f double dash of x, derivative for first term 1 by x square. This 24 multiplicative you can keep as it is. 1 by x square derivative you will getting minus 2 by x cube, and that will multiply with 24. It become minus 48 by x cube minus 1.5 constant derivative 0, no need to write. Check here. Minus 48 by x cube. X is an length of rectangle. It is always positive. Positive quantity divided with 48, getting positive again, and multiply minus sign. So the second derivative answer is negative. Less than 0 obtained. That is related to maximum area will be obtained. Now f dash of x we check by particular point. So first derivative answer equated 0, that is 24 by x square minus 1.50. 1.5 shifted to right hand side, it will be positive. So 24 by x square is 1.5. Now to get value for x, x square shifted right hand side, this 1.5 shifted left hand side. We get 24 by 1.5. Check calculation. 24 divided by 1.5, that is getting 16. So x square is equal to 16. Value for x, right, only positive plus 4, because length is always positive quantity. X is obtained 4. Substitute this value for x equals to 4 in second derivative. So we obtain f double dash of 4 minus 48 by 4 cube value is minus 48 by 64. This is negative, less than 0. Hence, area of printed space is maximum. Area obtained maximum. To get dimensions, x value is obtained for, remaining is value for y. Substitute this value for x equals to 4 in the equation y equal to 24 by x. So y value is obtained 24 by 4. It is equal to 6. Hence, dimension of paper are obtained 4 meter and 6 meters. Check final conclusion. The dimension area of printed space is maximum when the dimensions of the rectangular sheet of paper are 4 meter and 6 meter. So in this problem, we have calculated dimension of paper, not the printed space. If you ask dimension of printed space, at that time you will substitute value for x and y in this length and breadth. So at that time you will getting answer 4 minus 1, that is the 3 meter length for printed space, and breadth is obtained 6 minus 1.5, that is 4.5. First check in question properly. Is it you have asked dimensions of paper or dimensions of printed space? So problem can be asked in two different ways. So in this session, we discuss about the numericals related to the maxima and minima. We stop here. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.